An easy one. I'm doing this, what am I doing? Acacia. And there is for the sacrament of maybe reconciliation or that, it's either fusage or fusage. Fusage maybe. You don't do that too often because in everyday talk people say, I made my confession, Raimi Meishtach. Raimi Meishtach, ek Meishtiri. Raimi Meishtach, ek Meishtiri. And that. So confession is, the priest is listening to you, by the way. Sin comes from the Latin word, I think it's like pecus or something like that in Latin. Yeah. Lord was Tierna, or Tierna. Savior is Swania. If something is swan, it's whole, right? As in like holistic medicine or whatever that. Swan, it's good, that, right? Some say the full moon is swan, and that, right? So he's the one that kind of makes you whole. That's the kind of salvation. Swan.
Sorry, the dad notes of the other week, and it's what you'd say when somebody dies and it's afterward, and their head sounds like eternal peace to you or whatever. Anyway, I tried to get him to say it again. Can't remember now, but he had it. Just But anyway, what are some examples?
Did you start with an F?
Yeah, fosh.
Fosh, yeah. And most would say fosh. Around in Orange County, we give it a more old sound. Fosh. Foshieri. Foshieri. Eternal rest. Yeah. Shieri is forever. So foshieri. And then if it's a female, foshieri ahorgi. A year. Man, foshieri ahorga. A year. Foshieri ahorgi. Foshieri ahorga. Anything I didn't cover? One thing we can... Awake is an adder. Yeah. Some people say adder as well. So the wake house is Tully the Hannah or Tully the Adder, depending on your dialect. When you come into church, this is your womb, right? You pound. So you whoop the wound. Whoop means bend your knee. Whoop the wound. I guess crown the town. Crown the town. Whoop the wound is crown the town. Jésha? After. Jéshin? Crush. A crush. Shin? A crush. Jési. A crush. Jési. Coaching. He is a Kriasta. What is this now? Remember I said Kain Ye? What have I said that he is? Mach Ye. Mach Ye. Son of God. Te Ye. The house of God. Te Ye. Yeah. A Yekush. Catch a bilshin. Ounce in Yekush. Ounce in Yekush. Ounce in Yekush. I guess Shin. Ankle, Ivan, yeah. Untachkrimage, move, in front of a child, and the over from the sachkrimage nuva, Holy One, Ushka Koshrisha, Jehami Jiana, Hami Koshriku, Hami Gam Koshriku Hain. And Koshriku Kanyo, Kanyan, Lowerorni, machine, yeah. And very important, remember the Mass, Anaiden. Anithal Benaiden, I'm going to Mass. Anithal Benaiden. Any questions? Might have had, as well, Nerve Elsif. Agus cóir sin nerve Elsif, agus sin a bhean nerve Trésa. A bhean nerve Trésa. Teresa, agus sin Francie, yeah. Nueve, yeah. Neve. Okay. Huh? Anna, yeah. I thought you said Oren first, and Oren is song, Oren, and hymns are we, yeah,
It's kind of not off topic since you just mentioned song there. So typically around here, the songs they'd be singing during Mass, would they be in English, Gaelic, or Latin?
Would have been Latin.
Latin,
Yeah,
mostly.
yeah.
And
there wasn't so much, singing was more so just like Easter and Christmas, I think.
And presenting, which is in the Protestant
Yeah.
only, or Presbyterian?
Presbyterian, yeah.
So that was never in any other.
That's actually, one say those Gaelic airs. You look at the names of those airs they're using, those names are in English. Why is it? Because part of, I don't know if it would be part of the Puritans or whatever that, but the Protestant evangelical thing in England, everybody was singing that way in English, right? And then the Gaels translated them into Gaelic, and it died out in these places, and it moved on in the Presbyterians. Oh, so, it's in the prayer there. Annam, my soul, Manam, yeah. Rosary. Achana Vaida. The Kriikaken. Yeah, the Kriikaken. Okay, shall we finish up with a prayer? Yeah? We'll face our chair now. And then we're going to as you first time, we'll take it to the instead of calling Shaw, we have some new contractor who is called Shaw, he's Games of the Canada, and he's but he's American coaching Canada, also, and I guess I creative.
Adna tarniaf gymna vystaniam gachkatriach and journal tal nask jurgenov. And going to join a while, am I going to fear and with fashion the book could fear. There's now like a production of social menachkaman. Ben ik goed over aan je gras naar journal maar roots, ben je mest op reis, dus ben je direct de brownie is het. Na verder werd je zijn een perkje knischks basherman. Coördinaties kan waarschijnlijk spelen neuf, maar de warme rest met vies, wat dan zo amen.
Do you think of bishop? We say episcopal, right? Espic. And you get the name Archibald Gillespie. Yeah, Espic. And diocese is the area of the bishop and Rhine here, and Rhine Espic. So our parish is part of the Rhine Espic and Ganesh. Trestiche. Come on. Tap it over some gin.